Hi, I'm Birud. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Gupshup, and I want to talk about the evolution from communication to conversation. You know, the mobile messaging industry started with SMS since that was the only platform available on the earliest feature phones. SMS was great because it is ubiquitous, but it was limited to plain text and to one-way communication. However, with the rise of more advanced messaging channels like WhatsApp and others, RCS, Instagram, and so on, it is now possible to do richer interactions and two-way conversations. While the technology has evolved from enabling communication to now conversations, many marketers are yet to evolve with that. They are still stuck in the old ways and haven't realized the potential of the new capabilities. At this point, sending simply one-way notifications is quite primitive and a lost opportunity. Every notification can be the start of a conversation. For example, if you send a message that the flight is booked, perhaps you could also ask, do you want to upgrade your seat or book a meal? Or sending a notification about your order has shipped could include the option to reschedule the delivery, right? Instead of sending just a new deal or offer, marketers have found it more effective to say, here are 3 personalized offers for you, pick one. So it's time for marketers to evolve from communication to conversation. Ask your communication vendor about conversations, and if they have no idea what you're talking about, come have a conversation with Gupshup.